All right, here's assignment 3.3 in the series of using the Arduino R3. This one is set up to this program we used previously called P5, and it's basically like a graphical interface to make cool looking projects and stuff. And so this project is basically us using the Arduino to communicate with P5. And so this one is just kind of a proof of concept, and it took me a little while to figure out how exactly to make everything run through, but just figured it out. Quick look at the Arduino code here. Basically, we're setting up all of our inputs and outputs, and then we're reading all of the values. Like this is our analog pin, it's our potentiometer, and we're also reading the value of our LED, which is off currently. And then we're transmitting these values into our computer, into our serial thing. Not really sure what exactly it's doing, but that's what we're doing. And then we're just printing all this to the console just to see that it works. Then, oh, spoiler. Then headed to Visual Studio. So this controls our, This controls our P5, and so we're using the P5 library here to just get ready to read in all of the data that's flowing through the Arduino. And so here, what it does is if you just click anywhere on the screen, then it'll translate the LED and turn it on and off. Then the draw function, it writes out what the circle's X position is, and that's controlled by the little potentiometer here. And then this says adjust the potentiometer to change the X position. Is the LED on? Click the screen. So it's basically instructions. And then finally it draws a circle that corresponds with our potentiometer. So let's take a look at what it's actually doing here. Oh, and then this is just used to communicate between the Arduino and P5. So it's kind of jittering around a little bit, but basically it says adjust the potentiometer to change the X position of the circle. So whenever we turn this, it should move it around the screen. And then if we click on the screen, this should change to yes, and then this LED should light up. So let's try it. So we're gonna turn it here, and so that should move it around. Also, I set the color to change with it just to make it a little bit more fun. So that works just fine. And then we're going to click on the screen, and so that should, whoop, if you can see in the bottom, turns the LED on, and it also changes this to yes, just so we know what's going on. So again, just a proof of concept to see how everything works, but next time I will be making a much more advanced project that's a little bit more fun and a little bit more involved. So nice. See y'all later.